Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see about the transfer service demo we are going to see. In our last video we have seen the transfer service theory and today we are going to see the transfer service demo. Okay. So let's start. So before going to that transfer service, first we have to create the buckets. First we have to create two buckets. One is source bucket and second one is destination bucket. Okay, and we are going to create. We are going to upload files in source bucket. Okay, these things which we are going to do. Step one and step two. We are going to create the transfer job. Okay, in that transfer service. Two steps which we are going to do and we will see that what it's going to do. Okay, so first I am going to create the transfer first we are going to create the buckets. Already you know these things. I mean, I have uploaded few videos about the cloud storage. Okay, so this is the storage. Under the storage we have the cloud storage. Just click the browser here. No need to worry about friends, just you see this video entirely, then only you can understand what is this. Now I am going to create the bucket. So just create the bucket now. Name your bucket. Pick a globally unique. So just unique name we have to give. Just I am giving like Hyderabad. Yeah, I'm giving like Hyderabad 588 and just click continue. Location type whatever we can type. So I'm testing purpose only, just training purpose I'm selecting this multi-region. Then click continue. Then choose a default storage class for your data. So I'm clicking standard. Then just click continue here and just click create now. So successfully we have created the bucket Hyderabad 588. So what I am going to do means here I am going to upload files. So I am uploading files. So I have just Google image. So I will upload that Google image here. Actually, yeah, we'll upload 2-3 photos. Okay. So I have uploaded a few photos about Google Photos only, Google Pics only, images. So I have uploaded the Google Pics in which folder, sorry, which bucket means Hyderabad 588. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we have uploaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 images I have uploaded in this Hyderabad 588 bucket. Okay, now I am going to create one more bucket. So this is source bucket Hyderabad 588. It is a source bucket. Now I am going to create one more bucket, that is destination bucket. So same name I will give, Hyderabad 589 I will put it. Okay, so this is the destination bucket. Now I am clicking this everything, just click continue, just click create now. No need to worry friends, just I am saying whether this is source means no need to worry, we are going to see. Okay, source and destination, that's for training purpose only I am using that word. Okay, so that is normal only. Okay, Hyderabad 588 we have created the bucket and 588 this is so which we have created already. Okay, then second we have created this bucket. In this 588 bucket we have uploaded some images, but in this 589 bucket we have not uploaded anything. Okay, so these things which we have to do, step 1. Next what we have to do means we have to go to the transfer service. So just click the navigation menu and here we have that storage, here we have data transfer. So here we have three options, but we are going to see only first one only, remaining we can't see these things. So transfer service cloud, just I'm clicking this transfer service cloud. So here we have what is transfer service means. Transfer service enable us to quickly and securely transfer data into Google Cloud Storage from a variety of online sources such as Amazon S3 and Azure Blob Storage, or to move data between cloud storage buckets. Transfers can run on a recurring or on-demand basis. So that is known as the transfer service. So S3 bucket, also Amazon S3 bucket from Amazon, what we can do means we can transfer the files from Amazon simple storage service from to Google Cloud Storage. So if you have some files in Amazon, if you have some files in Amazon S3 bucket, then what we can do, we can transfer the files from that Amazon Web Services to the Google Cloud. Okay, that's what they are saying. And here actually I don't have that Amazon S3 bucket. So if you have, let me know. If you have anything in Amazon S3, you can, if you want to do, then please put in that commands. I will try to that to do. I will try to do that. Okay. So time being, what we are going to do means, we are going to create. We are already created the buckets in cloud storage, right? Two buckets which we have created. So same thing only which we are going to use in this lab. Okay. So now we will start it here. So here what we have to do means, we have to create the transfer job. Okay, so just click create transfer job. So here we have the source type. We have, see here friends, Amazon S3 bucket, Azure storage container, and Google Cloud storage bucket, and URL list. So if you are selecting Amazon S3, then we have to give the Amazon bucket name. If you are selecting this Azure storage, then we have to give that Microsoft Azure storage bucket name, like that. And here Google Cloud storage, then we have to give the Google Cloud storage. Then other than that, URL list also we can give URL of TSV file. Okay, now I am going to select this one only, Google Cloud storage bucket. So here we need to give that source bucket. See here, choose a source. Okay, we have to give the source bucket. We have 588, right? In that 588 only we have actually, oh sorry, I have uploaded some files. So here if you are clicking that browse option, we can see here friends, our bucket, it will come. For example, in our project, if some bucket has been created means, it will reflect here. Okay, now I am going to select this source bucket, like Hyderabad 588, it is a source bucket. Just select this one, and here downside you can see this, sorry, bottom side you can see this select option. Just click the select option, automatically it will come here. Then it will come like a tick mark. So this is the valid bucket. We can enter the name of any bucket or click browse to pick bucket from your current project. Okay, so now I have done that one. Now what we have to do means, we can create the next step. Just click this next step, and here we have to give the choose a destination bucket, specify a destination bucket in the Google Cloud storage. You will need write access. Okay fine. Then what I am going to do means, browse. Just click the browse, or we can type, whether if you remember the bucket name, then you can type it here. If you don't remember, then you can just click this browse, and you can select this I think, which one, I forgot it, 588 or 589. Let me, 588 I have created. Yeah, this is 589 only, sorry. Destination bucket is 589. In this destination bucket, Hyderabad 589, there are no files, there are no images, right? So that's what. Okay, next step, I am clicking this next step. So if you are you can give the describe your job also. What I need to do means, I am going to do this one only. I am going to transfer files. Just simple, we can give transfer files A to Z, that's it. Okay, just you can, whatever you can give, any details you want to use, keep track of this job, you can do. Name only I have given like transfer files A to Z. Okay, so now we have the advanced transfer option, when to overwrite. If different, overwrite a destination file if source file with the same name is different. Example, files e tags or checksums don't match. Next option, always overwrites destination file whenever source file has the same name, even if they are identical. Okay, no need to worry about friends. Just you just select this option if different. Let me explain it later. So here we have one more option, when to delete. Never. So delete files from source after they are transferred, and delete files from destination if they are not also at source. Now I am going with this option. I will discuss about this later. No need to worry. We will see this one now. Okay, delete files from source after they are transferred. So what the transfer job is going to do means, after transferring the files from the source bucket, from source bucket to destination bucket, the files will automatically be deleted in the source bucket. That's what they are saying here, delete files from source after they are transferred. Okay, now I am clicking this next step. Now we have these options called scheduling options. We can schedule a one-time transfer or set up the job to recurring. Okay, so we have the options here, run once and starting now, like that. Just I'm clicking this drop down. Here we have these options, run once or run every day. Every day we need to run this job, or every week we have to run, or custom frequency. So whatever we can select it. So for run once, it has two options here, start now and starting on. Start now means it will start right now, and starting on means it will say, if we can update the date, maybe exact date and time we can update it by choosing this. And if you are selecting this run every day, if you are selecting this run every day, it will same concept only, we can select these two options. So this end date is, which is optional only, like that we can select whatever you need as per your as per your requirement. So run with custom frequency, starting now, starting on we have, and end date is optional, repeat every, and hours, like that, hours, days, weeks, like that. So now I am selecting this run once, and here I am selecting starting now only. Okay, now what I am going to do means I am going to click this create. So now it's going to start now. Let's see that. Let's see that. Now the transfer, this is the job description they have given, transfer files A to Z. This is name, this number, it will be coming automatically. Storage type is Google Cloud Storage. This is our source bucket 588, Hyderabad 588, and destination bucket is Hyderabad 589. Total runs on only, it is in progress. For example, if you don't want to this job, then you can pass this. Okay, it will not run. Okay, just you can pass this. For example, you are thinking like, I am running this, but I should not run this time, after some time we can run, like that. If you are thinking suddenly, then you can pass that. Okay, then you can play again. If you are resume the job, again it will run. Okay, so now I will resume the job now. The transfer job has been resumed now, transfer files A to Z, the name is coming, right, job description. So here it will come like a status. Okay, this is not refresh button, just here if you are seeing, you can see this. Yeah, now you can see the status is success now. Latest run status is success now, the date is showing here. And okay friends, now what I am thinking means, what maybe if you have seen this video, you have to answer this now, right now, what the transfer job will do right now. We have created the source bucket, and we have created the destination bucket. We have uploaded some files in source bucket. Okay, then we have created this transfer job, we have run this transfer job also. So what automatically it will do means, from source bucket, in the source bucket, files will be transferred to the destination bucket, and one thing, in the files will be deleted in the source bucket. That's what we have done. Okay, let me check that one. Just go to that home page, navigation one, just click home, and just go to the cloud storage. Go to the cloud storage, just see it friends. Now 588, this will be empty. This is our source bucket, this will be empty, right? Okay, great, this is empty, no rows to display. And go back, just check it, 589, I think 5 files we have uploaded, right? Okay, let me check that one. 589, this is the destination bucket. See friends, automatically it has been transferred here. Okay, so that's what we have done these things. And one more I would like to tell. Okay, let me go to this transfer job again. Okay, so let me go to the transfer job again, and let me explain about one more thing. I think yeah, time has been done friends. Actually, I will try this the same with in my upcoming video. Thanks a lot, have a great day. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. So in our upcoming video, I will see we are going to see the same only, some thing I would like to explain about that. Okay, thanks a lot, have a great day, bye.